To quickly find your hotspot password on a Samsung Galaxy phone, you can easily check it in the settings menu. Follow these simple steps to view or manage your hotspot details. Go to the settings app page. You can find it on your home screen or in the app drawer. Once inside settings, look for the option called connections and tap on it. This section contains all network related settings such as Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and hotspot options. Next, select mobile hotspot and tethering. Here you will see different sharing options. Tap on mobile hotspot to open its detailed settings. Make sure your mobile hotspot is turned on, otherwise the password may not be visible or active. After opening the mobile hotspot page, you will see important details like your network name, SSID, and the password. The password is what other devices need to connect to your hotspot. You can tap on the password field if you want to view or even change it to something easier to remember. If needed, you can also customize your hotspot name or security settings for better control and protection. It is always recommended to use a strong password so unknown users cannot access your mobile data. Now you can easily access your Samsung hotspot password anytime, share internet safely with others, and manage your mobile hotspot settings without any confusion whenever needed instantly.